This is the lowest dB full system that we do. It's got the box, silencing box, inconel headers, the rest of it's full titanium, SM cans with the dB killers. So I run on sport mode, DTC1, wheelie control off, engine braking on 1, which is the maximum, ABS 2, which is slide by brake, because that's brilliant fun. So this system, my ears are old and knackered, so this is a good, for me this system's perfect. It sounds lovely, but it's just not too loud. It cracks on all the gear changes, so above 7 grand you'll get like a crack at every change. Ride quietly through these little villages, you really can with this full system. It's great. The pickup on this with 45.23 is just crazy, so good. Love it. 60 mile an hour limit, so everyone's doing about 20. Spot on, though. Hopefully it's giving you an idea of what full system alternatives that you can have. I think the throttle response in sport mode for wheelies and stuff is far better than race mode. Race mode's a bit snatchy, so let's see what's like. Some lovely bond. I'll go through the tunnel so you can hear it from there. There's no traffic. Adventure bikes. They've got that different nod, haven't they? That it's a sideways glance instead of a like 8. A little bit of tunnel quick.